I'm so grateful to IOM, the International Organization for Migration, for having brought us here together for this amazing yoga class, this Kundalini class actually that they have offered for the wider public, like sort of to actually bring us all together around an ancient Indian tradition of yoga, and a tradition that not only helps us connect ourselves, connect us with ourselves, with our hearts, with our souls, with our karmas, but that connects actually people across nationalities, across ethnicities, across religions, actually in a sense of spirituality that again connects people, that connects souls, that connects us all across the globe. And we just come out of actually an hour and a half of a class here in this wonderful park next to the statue of Kumanjan. And it's also a symbol for the strengths of women, around the globe. I'm feeling so energized by this practice that we had here. And again, a huge thanks to IOM. And I look forward to many more of such kind of classes, and I hope that we'll be able to attract so many more Kyrgyzstanis and others who are living in this beautiful country that is so hospitable to everyone, every foreigner and everyone who lives here. Thank you.
Бул жерге биринчи жолу катыштым. Мен бул жакка сейилдеген келгем. Просто катышып мага жакты. Башында биринчи катышкан үчүн смешной болду, кичине күлүп. Еще эки жактан өтүп бараткан адамдар карап турса кичине уялат экенсиң, еще күлүп. Но акырында мага жакты. Сонун болду. Чоң рахмат силерге.
Аябай сонун экен, жакты мага. Вообще өзүмү жеңил сезип калдым. Толкунданып отурам азыркы учурда.